Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The conceptual 2027 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 Golden Out official tour represents the pinnacle of American luxury motor coaches, redefining the limits of comfort, craftsmanship, and integrated technology. Envisioned under the exclusive Golden Out theme, this model features a color palette that radiates richness, warmth, and timeless elegance, positioning it as the ultimate embodiment of pure luxury on wheels. The foundation of the 2027 Mountain Aire 4118 would rest upon a meticulously refined Freightliner or Spartan K3 chassis, both renowned for their exceptional durability and superior ride quality. This robust platform would be powered by a modern, high-performance diesel engine, most likely a Cummins X15 or Detroit diesel, delivering immense horsepower and torque for effortless navigation across varied terrain and confident towing capability. Complementing its engineering excellence, Newmar's proprietary Star Foundation and passive steer tag axle would ensure an exceptionally smooth, quiet, and stable ride. Advanced electronic stability control and comfort drive steering technology would enhance maneuverability, allowing even such a substantial vehicle to handle with precision and ease. Every element of the chassis would be engineered for durability, comfort, and effortless driving, hallmarks of Newmar's legacy. The Golden Out theme would make an immediate impression through its multi-stage full-body paint scheme, masterfully blending metallic gold, bronze, and deep mocha tones for a radiant, high-gloss finish. Each layer would be applied with precision, creating a lustrous surface worthy of fine art. The streamlined exterior would feature flush-mounted panoramic windows, aerodynamic contours, and expertly crafted storage bays, merging aesthetics with practicality. A power slide-out tray system would allow easy access to the expansive cargo compartments, while exterior amenities, such as a large motorized awning with integrated LED lighting and a premium outdoor entertainment center, would provide comfort and convenience without disrupting the elegant design. This seamless integration of beauty and function exemplifies Newmar's meticulous attention to detail. Stepping inside, the 4118 unveils an atmosphere of tranquil refinement. The Golden Out interior would feature a palette of light gold, cream, and taupe, contrasted with dark, hand-glazed maple or cherry cabinetry. The salon and galley showcase Newmar's innovation in space and comfort. Utilizing full-wall slide technology, the open-plan salon would include residential-style leather seating, a retractable 4K television, and an electric fireplace for an inviting ambience. The galley would be a culinary masterpiece, featuring quartz or granite countertops, a French door refrigerator, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and abundant storage. A custom dining area would provide elegance and practicality in equal measure. The master suite would serve as a private retreat, complete with a king-sized Comfortaire air mattress, cedar-lined wardrobes, and an integrated entertainment system. The adjoining en-suite bathroom would rival a luxury spa, offering a tiled rainfall shower, dual vanities, and premium fixtures, all accented by the soft warmth of the Golden Out theme. The 2027 Mountain Aire would integrate cutting-edge technology throughout. A sophisticated multiplex system would unify lighting, climate control, and utility management into intuitive touchscreens and a mobile app interface. A high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank paired with a solar power array would support extended off-grid operation while maintaining full functionality of all residential amenities. With its blend of robust engineering, timeless aesthetics, and advanced smart systems, the 2027 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 Golden Out stands as a masterpiece of mobile living. It is not merely a motor coach, it is an architectural triumph on wheels, redefining what it means to experience pure luxury on the move.